What's up, guys? So it occurred to me, and it was actually brought to my attention by a few of my subscribers, that you guys are interested in using these liquid fertilizers that I showed you in that previous video from Growforge, but you guys haven't really done it. And being from Canada, it's kind of understandable because we don't usually have products like this. So in this video, I'm just gonna give you a couple basic things to know when it comes to spraying. And I hope that helps you out. Short video, but just so you guys know, so you have something to look back on. Okay, let's get started. So I haven't fertilized anything really because I was waiting on these products to do it. So now that I have them, it's time for me to go and spray the putting green, and I'll do the rest of the yard another night. But for now, I'm focusing on the putting green. I'm using the Balance Line 14-5-14, which is your standard fertilizer pretty much. So one thing you gotta do, read the label. It's always important to read the label. So this one says for 1,000 square feet, 6 ounces or 180 milliliters per 1,000 square feet. Now, lucky for me, my putting green comes in right around 1,000 square feet. So I'm gonna go with 180 mils. I'm gonna put it into the backpack sprayer. And that's one of the other things. If you're gonna do this on a regular basis, just purchase a backpack sprayer. It's one-time investment. You don't have to go top line. This one wasn't that bad for price, and it's going to be way easier than a handheld pump sprayer. So I recommend you get one if you can afford it. If not, you can use a pump sprayer. That's just fine. So what I'm going to do, shake it up because it says shake well, and I put it into one of my kids' old cups. He doesn't use this anymore, but yeah, just a little baby cup, and it's got the milliliters on it. So I'll pour that into there and then into the tank, shake it up well, and then go and spray. So knowing me, when I usually pour stuff like this, I usually spill a little bit. Trying to pour it into that out of a huge jug. So just have a cloth ready to wipe whatever you spill up. So yeah, let's start mixing. Yep, spilled. Not a lot, but nonetheless. Okay. So, just take that. So that was 100 mil. Now I'll just fill it up to the 80. We're good to go. Shake up the backpack sprayer once you're done. So one important thing to note is that on the jug, the label, the bottle, whatever you're looking at, it actually says 180 milliliters per 1,000 square feet in a minimum of 1 US gallon of water. So when you mix this, you got to use a minimum of a gallon of water. Now, that's the only kind of thing you got to pay attention to, because realistically, I could use 10 gallons of water with that 180 mil. As long as I'm spraying it evenly over that 1,000 square feet, that's just fine. The water isn't that much of the issue, but don't over add product to it. And just say you did decide to use 10 gallons of water for whatever reason, you still need to empty out that whole 10 gallons over that 1,000 square feet. Don't just put half of it down. That's not how it works. All right, so we're back outside. So just for me, I know that I can walk over my putting green twice at a nice slow pace with 2.5 gallons. So 2.5 gallons should be enough for me to go both ways on this putting green and cover it completely, and by the time I'm done, this should be empty. So let's get started. So as you can see, it took me 2 passes each way, and I emptied out the 2.5 gallons. And that's it, it's done. It's pretty basic, don't overthink it. And if you need to, just fill up your tank with water and practice whatever area you're gonna be covering. That way you'll know how much water to add, etc., etc. So don't forget, all of the Growforge products are going to be on sale for a month using discount code BACKWOODS10. I'll leave a link to the website in the description, and I'll leave the discount code. I hope you guys find this helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and yeah, leave a comment if you have any questions. All right, this has been Backwoods. We'll see you in the next one.